Hi everyone, I'm back with the second lesson of the Super Fast, Super Easy English series YouTube book. This is Anita and today we'll learn how to say want. We often say, I want a, I want it. I want a new t-shirt. I want a car. I want a banana. I want a home. If what you want starts with vowel sounds, A, U, I, E, O, you use an. I want an. I want an apple. I want an ice cream. I want an umbrella. I want an orange. I want an egg. You can also say, I want more. I want more. I want more information. I want more money. I want more space. I want more respect. The same thing can be said with some. I want some. I want some information. I want some freedom. I want some fruits. I want some food. To talk about the actions and verbs that we want to do, we say, I want to. Wanna. In American English, the short form for want to is wanna. I wanna go home. I wanna sleep. I wanna clean home. I wanna be alone. I want to forget everything. I want to trust you, but I can't. I want to exercise. Last but not least, when you want other people to do something, you say, I want you to. In American English, it is pronounced, I want you. I want you. I want you to trust me. I want you to be honest with me. I want you to succeed. I want you to have a better life. Now, if you want to make a question, you simply add do before you. You say, do you want an ice cream? Do you want an apple? Do you want me to help you? Do you want to sleep? It just goes this way with I, you, they, we. If you want to make it negative, you simply add don't before want. But don't use he, she, my brother, John. Okay? Here is another trick. You can always replace want with need, with a different meaning, but the same structures all the time. Now, if you think this lesson was super easy, super fast, I want you to share it with whom you want to learn English.